right, so welcome back to my channel. Today's day, we are finally, after a month of tearing down this Z and letting it sit in this garage, we are going to finally be sanding the car. Now, when I say sanding, we are not sanding the entire car. We are only sanding down places that need to be sanded. And what we're going to start first is down here at this bumper. Pretty funny story about this bumper. I got it painted probably about 4 years ago. It started peeling and cracking up literally 6 months after being painted, sitting in a garage because that motor blew up a long time ago before we went twin turbo and boost. So today we're gonna have to sand this all the way down because, as I talked about in our last video, this car is getting wrapped. As you can see here, we have our wrap. I won't show you guys the color until the big reveal, so don't look at that. However, this is gonna be first of objective because right here, as you can see, we have some paint peeling here, chips all over the place, unevenness, and we also, which is kind of my fault, a spider crab hit a little, what's the name of that thing?
Do you smell it?
That thing.
Smell.
We hit a little bit of asphalt here, so it kind of cracked the bumper. There's a hole over here. We have some fiberglass to kind of repair it so we can have this nice and sealed. And yeah, we're going to sand this down. And I've never sanded before, so join me on me kind of ruining my car. Hope you guys enjoy. I ain't never did this before. I'm actually really scared, but here we go. Well, that's one. What's crazy is I think I gotta go down one more. This is not aggressive enough. Oh.
Damn, I messed up. We gotta
go
ball.
Going with 60 grit because pretty much this is not coming down as smooth as I want to. So we're gonna try to, well, this is 240, sorry guys. This is 240 grit, and we're gonna try to bring this down so this is even and flush, and we're gonna try to hit all the affected spots first before we sand anything else smooth. Yeah. Well, that was kind of easy. So far, we pretty much got this down kind of smooth in most of the affected areas. I need to bring this down a little bit more here. This is definitely fine. This is fine. This is fine. This is almost fine. But now it's no longer at a stage where it'll peel, which is what was the main goal, versus like here where I can put my nail or fingernail under it. It's sure to pull up. So next we're gonna just go straight down the middle, down the line, bring this out. And then we're gonna do an overall coat where we just sand everything kind of smooth. We've got some of the bumper here where you see it's just bare metal. But yeah, we're just gonna keep going, get it as smooth as possible, and then try to do the rest of this bumper where we can. And yeah, and I guess we'll be on our road to wrap. So let's go ahead and continue on. So far what we got right here, we've got a lot of sanding done, but pretty much all the real main affected parts that I'm really was worried about are kind of now gone. I want to touch this up one more time. This is pretty good here. Also really here, really good. Mind you, I'm not repainting this or anything like that. I might primer it down after fully sanding it, but so far so good. The main attack areas have been sanded down, so I hope I ain't got nobody coughing over here with this sander. Someone just coughed up a lung. We're gonna go ahead and do this as well because this is all chipped in. Everywhere on this bumper is chipped, chocolate chip. I don't like it. So we're gonna continue on. We're gonna do the rest of this splitter right here, the end of this bumper. Maybe some spots over here. We're probably just gonna end up doing the whole bumper. Why not? So we'll get that all done. But so far so good. It's my first time using the sander, y'all. All right. So right now we're gonna go ahead. We're sanding with 120 grit with this. I've gotten this pretty all the way down smooth. I think 120 grit is my sweet spot for this. So I'm gonna try to sand all the little pitting areas so we can get that as smooth as possible and any other chips that we do got going on. So let's go ahead and get that started. And I'll update you guys as we go when it comes to if I had to change grit on anything else. But I think that's gonna be our sweet spot before we go up and smoothing it all out so it's not looking abrasive. So when we put the wrap on, it looks nice and smooth. So let's quit the talking, let's get to work. After a billion gajillion years later, we have finally sanded this bad boy all the way down. I got everything out, as you can see here, where we had all those chips and whatnot. Let me see if I can angle this correctly. But yeah, we don't have, they're not there anymore. They are quite smooth all the way to the touch. I'm very proud of that. My hands, however, are deeply disgusting. But yeah, so I want to go ahead, try to end the video right here. Better yet, we're just gonna stop here. We're going to put more of the video together. Probably maybe tomorrow. I have a couple of things I have to do personally, and then we'll see if we can get back here and try to do the rest of the car, the bumper as well, and we'll just go from there. So I'll see you guys soon.